Hello everyone, it's American Girl Spirit with another review from 2016's Girl of the Year collection. I will be opening, reviewing, and displaying Lea's Rainforest hike accessories. This set includes a hydration backpack with a zipper pouch that can be used for storing Lea's passport, Rainforest butterfly guide, and a snack bar. It has a pretend drinking tube for when Lea needs some water, and 2 holders on each side of the backpack for storing her hiking gear. The backpack has a buckle that snaps together so that the backpack stays securely on Lea's back while hiking. There is a colorful walking stick with a hand grip, a bottle of bug spray, a pretend pair of binoculars which she can also hold, an Akia bar, a mango bar, and a Rainforest butterfly guide. This set retails for $28. Now let's have a look at Lea in her hiking accessories. I give Lea's Rainforest hike accessories a 5-star rating. The set is age appropriate for 8+. The accessories are made from high quality materials and are very durable. The appearance of this set is fantastic, with vibrant colors on the backpack and walking stick. Lea can easily put on and take off the hydration backpack with the snap buckle. The backpack also has a loop at the top, so it can be carried or hung up when not used. The binoculars and walking stick have a hand loop for the doll's hand so they can hold the item. The one thing I think American Girl could have improved on was the oversized snack bars. Overall, this is a fantastic set and would be a great addition to your collection. Woohoo! Another giveaway! If you think Lea's Rainforest hike accessories would be an awesome addition to your collection, then enter American Girl Spirit's giveaway. Let me know what you think of Lea's Rainforest hike accessories in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon!